Well, hey guys, it's me, your girl Brooklyn Stace, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subby, or if you viewed me before, if you're not and it's your first time here, well, welcome. Glad to have you, and welcome to my channel. Please do make sure you like, whether you're new or whether you're old, subscriber viewer. Make sure you watch, and yeah, make sure you watch to the end. But make sure that you do give this video a thumbs up. And make sure that if you're not subscribed, that you go ahead and subscribe. More than half of you, 80%, 90% of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting on? I'm a pretty interesting person, if I do say so myself. I do like to laugh and have fun. I like to do a variety of things. That's why this is a lifestyle channel, right? So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And to all you subscribers, thank you so much. I can see my subscriber count going up and up and up and up. And thank you so, so much. Okay. All right. So let's get down to why I have all this stuff on this table. This is the second part of the video. This is what I did in the first part of the video, but I didn't want to make it too long, but I could have combined it. And go back and watch this video where I give you like a warning when you're going into Dollar General, and you know how to be a smarter shopper and save more money when you're getting these deals done, so that you can get more bang for your buck and keep that money in your pocket, right? Because that's what it's all about. Times are tough these days, you know? So I want to share and be able to help people to get deals and help people to maybe learn from my mistakes when I'm out there shopping, or just help people in general. So because you don't know, if you don't know, guess what? Like Biggie Smalls says, now you know. But if you don't know, you won't ever know. So that's why you learn from YouTube University and people like me and people like you, right? And other YouTubers out there. Okay. So what I'm doing is going to show you what I, after I come from the store, how I, and forgive me, as I said in the last video, my battery died because we had a storm and it was running on battery. And then when the electricity came back up after a couple of hours, my battery was drained. So therefore I have to get on a ladder. Well, I don't do ladders. So get someone to get on a ladder and change that battery for me. So sorry about that chirping, because it does irk my last nerve as well. So just to let you know that, in case somebody puts in the comments, fix that battery, because I do the same thing to people. So yeah, so I do have glitter and stuff on this table, so excuse that, these little specks and things of that nature you may see. So now to go on to what I'm doing with this these receipts, I want to show you how to save that money and put that money back in your pocket. There are things, the one thing that I use on my phone, it's an app, and that app is, if some of you may know about it and some of you may not, it's called Fetch. Some of you have heard about it and maybe don't use it, or some of you have it and don't use it. If you don't use it, you really, really should use it. So I'm going to show you the Fetch app on my phone and show you what that looks like. So let me go to the Fetch app here, and let me back out because I pulled it up. And let me go to show you what that looks like. So I'm on my home page, and as you see, I've redeemed some points, so I still have some points here. Fetch, it just has so many different deals where they partner up with stores, and you know, when you shop, you can search for your favorite item, or you can, like Temu. Look at that. There's Temu. So there's 100 per $1. This is how many points. So if you spend $20, which most of us do when you shop, what is that? 2,000 points that's added. And when you shop digitally, you pay online, it will see that you have some online purchases. So let me go out of there, because you see Temu's ready. You saw that wheel spending, right? So that's just goes to show you. And if you like Cheez-Its and you buy Cheez-Its, well, you can get 1,000 points. Self-care, I mean, it's just on and on and on. Or you can do a search, or you can scroll. So now, back at the main screen here, you see that I have 4 items because I did shop online. And when I tap on it, it tells you, hey, we've detected there are 4. So when I tap on that, it would take me to, I Ubered, and it would take me to my personal Ubers, and I could select all and submit. So when I submit, I'm going to show you what happens. See, the Uber, and the receipt points and the date that I used Uber, what the price was, and it has 4 of them. So there's 1, 2, 3, all 4 of the Ubers that I use and the dates that I used them, and I got 25 points for each one of them. And so I just hit continue and see you can add the connections. It says Walmart, Instacart, Gmail, because when it's attached to your email, whatever, when you get your email receipts, Amazon. It's also your, what is that? Outlook. See, it has all, wherever your email, Yahoo, Sam's Club, AOL. So wherever you get your digital receipts, these are your connections. All right. And it detects that. And so right now it says no digital receipts found because I've used them all. I, uploaded them. But that's what the e-receipt part is. Oops, I went out. So that's what the e-receipt part is. And now what I'm going to show you is also, this is how you snap a picture. I'm going to show you that next. But what I wanted to show you is from this, the Vaseline. Let's say I'm going to go and search for the Vaseline brand. Vaseline, there it is, right? So, oh, there's an option to get some points. So here we are. The offer is that with Vaseline, I've already saved it because I knew I had one. So you spend $7. Spend $7 on Vaseline products, select varieties, and you get 1,000 points. It tells you what it excludes: the travel size, the trial size, and Vaseline lip therapy. And the redemptions, you can do this up to 5 times. And so it gives you the valid on the receipts where the dates up to 3/31 between January and March. And, it just gives you the fine print and all of that things, all of the things. So you spend $7. Now, if you remember from the last video, I did spend more than $7. In fact, I'm going to show you the receipt that I had when I went to Dollar General, and you see that I spent more than $7. Remember, I spent the $7 here. Oh, my nails look horrible. And so I spent the $7 there. And then I also spent $8 on that Vaseline oil, which is this one. So I can use the coupons, remember? So therefore, this matches. So this is the $7, so I will get 1,000 points. And then I can do it 5 times. So I should get some points for that too. So what I'm going to do is show you how I scan the receipt, the full receipt. And so I'm just going to, you can see that, right? And so what I'm going to do is just hit that button there. And now I'm able to take a picture or do an e-receipt. Well, we already did the e-receipt. There's nothing else. So I'm going to take this, and then it's going to take me to the camera. And now I'm just going to hold it over. If you need to use the light, you can do that. You can hit that button and the light will come on. And so you hold it over the screen, and then you just press the camera button here. Right? And so maybe I can do it a little bit closer so you guys can see it, because I think I was too far away. So I'm going to do that, hold it over, and go ahead and press and take the picture. And when I take the picture, let me turn the light off too. So when I took the picture, it lets me know that it got the store, it got the date, and it did get the total amount. Now, if you take a picture and you don't see all of these things are lit, illuminated green, then you know one of them it didn't get. So you have to rescan it. And all you do is just hit that to rescan. Now you see it's directed me to slide it up. So I'm going to slide the picture up into the circle, and then you will see that it gave me my 1,000 points. I think I have my volume down because it usually makes a little noise. And you see it says Dollar General. You see the date today, or well, whenever you see the video, it's 2/18. And then it tells you what I did get. Okay. And you see those two things. I don't know why that's saying $3. Maybe, because of the $4 off. That's right. The $4 coupon. And so you see I got 1,000 points. You see that? And so what I can do also, it does tell you that I have another $3 to go to get yet another 1,000 points. So if I go into a store again and get the Vaseline and use the Dollar General coupon again, well, I'm going to get another 1,000 points because all I need is 3 to go. See, it has that bar. And so it keeps track. And I like this better than Ibotta, because Ibotta, you have to add the deals, I'm told. But the deals are already there, you see? So I like that. So I can go ahead and snap another, to which I'm going to do. All right. So I'm going to go to the other Dollar General coupon, excuse me, I keep saying coupon, other Dollar General receipt that I had where I got the Colgate. But one thing I wanted to do, actually, that's okay. Let me go ahead and scan it since I'm already in the camera mode. And as you can see from here, it's not centered, so I'm going to center it here, and I'm going to bring it all the way out so I can get the entire receipt. As you can see, the entire receipt is there. And I'm going to hit snap. And as you see, everything is there. It's illuminated. So all I have to do is slide it up, and then it's registering. And you heard that? It did make the sound. So I did get 25 points for that. Now, that's for that Colgate. Now, I don't think that Colgate has an extra. Sometimes it does, because then you will see more than 25 points. So that tells me it does not have. I'm just going to hit continue, and I'm going to go back out and back out again. And this time I'm going to search for Colgate, just out of curiosity, to see if Colgate brand is in here. I don't think it's in here, or if it is, oops, if it is, what I got does not apply. No, nothing there. Colgate doesn't have anything in there this time, but you never know, they will. So that's how you scan. And then you see my points automatically changed to 4,000 from 3,000, because I did get that 1,000 points. And look, here's where you guys come in. I'm going to refer you. So when I refer you, here is my code. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the screen as well as I'm going to put it on the description box, or you can put your phone to the screen and scan this. And when you scan this and open it up, there you go. So you can scan that and then open up the link, and then you can go ahead and register, because when you refer a friend, not only do you get 2,000, but I get 2,000. So it's a win-win for both of us. And these points add up, guys. So all it does is, time you get your receipt, when you get in your car, when you sit down before you start driving, because once you start, trust me, you're probably not going to go back to it, because you're going to go on to the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. So just get in the car, get your receipt, open up your app, scan it, and then go. Or, once you get home, if you don't have a million things to do, or listen, I tell people that do not have time to do things, the super uber busy person, the one that always have so much going on and can't do this, can't do that, can't do this, but they have all the time for social media. But nevertheless, hey, if the shoe fits, wear it. But I tell people, when you take your phone in the bathroom, don't get on social media and scroll. It's about saving money. It's about you doing better, instead of helping those people on Instagram, and even though, it's entertainment, but this is about knowledge. Even YouTube is entertainment, but this is about knowledge. This is about helping people to help themselves. So take your phone in the bathroom and take your receipt in the bathroom, close the door, open up your app, scan it. It takes, you see how long it takes. It doesn't take all of that. It takes more to make an excuse as to why you can't do something, rather than just going ahead and doing it. You know what I mean? So therefore, again, go ahead and, enter this, or I'm going to put this in the link in the description box, and I'm going to also put it on the screen, and maybe even in the comments for everybody. And just go ahead and register and get yourself and save yourself some money. These are for all store receipts, okay? And I'm going to show you the rewards. So these are the rewards, and so the featured rewards, and most of us shop on Amazon. So you can put it right back on an Amazon card, and you can get a $3, $5, $10, and it tells you what the points are. I've redeemed so many Amazon gift cards, I'm telling you. And this has come in so much. It's been so helpful to me. American Red Cross, Ulta Beauty, you see that, Starbucks cards. There's different categories. There's sweepstakes. You can get a cash card, retail stores, entertainment, restaurants, health and beauty, on and on and on. Even travel, Delta Airlines, look at that. Airbnb, hotels.com, all of that. Lyft, Uber's there. So it detects your Lyft and your Uber receipts and everything. See, there's the Uber online. It detected mine. And so yeah, so they have so many specialty things. They have all kinds of games and on and on. And see, these are my rewards. I canceled this one because I was like, oh no, I want to wait. And so I used that one. I got to mark that one as used. I used a Walmart card, another Amazon. I used some to make entries into a contest, on and on and on. So this is helpful. I'm telling you. We've got to help ourselves. We got to save money. We've got to put more money in our pockets and to use for ourselves and our family and to pay our bills. Okay, so go ahead and use this. You'll be glad that you liked it. I mean, you'll be glad that you did use it. Okay, all right. And so that's that, guys. I just wanted to briefly show you the Fetch app and show you how to use it and show you what it looks like. If you have any questions, about this, definitely let me know. Put it in the comments. Do you use Fetch? Some of you may use it already. You can make friends on Fetch. You can save friends. You can send messages. There's all kinds of 1 million points up for grabs. I don't know what that's about. Oh, okay. So you can select the number of entries using your points. I might use some of my points. You never know, 1 or 2. To enter in to win 1 million points. My gosh, 1 million points is worth a lot on a money gift card or Amazon or Starbucks or Walmart. So yeah, guys, please go ahead and please do that. And that's it. That's all. I just wanted to show you what I'm going to be doing once I get off of this. I'm going to scan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then when people leave their receipts, I scan other people's receipts. But they do, if you get like a batch of them, the app is they're going to say, hey, okay, you scanned the limit for this week. You know what I mean? And then you have to, don't save them up because I think it's more than 2 weeks or 21 days. They won't allow you to scan it. So that's why it's best to just go ahead and scan it while you're there. All right. So I just wanted to show you that. And also there is another app that I have that saves money on gas. And I don't know if I still have it because I did have to make something. Oh, yeah, I did. I'll show you that one in another video. But it's in my description box. I had to delete it because I had so much on my phone. And it might be on the phone that I'm using. So I can't show you that because this is recording. So I'll show it to you in another video. But it's in my description box. Go ahead and tap on that link and it'll show you how you can save on gas. And when you go into stores, Dunkin' Donuts, I think McDonald's, when you're going in the convenience store, the gas store, to get things, how you can earn points and cash back, or you can use the same thing, gift cards, so on and so forth. All right. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that would help you to know how you can save money for yourself and your family. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. It's me, your girl Brooklyn Stace, signing off. Take care and be well. Bye-bye. Make sure to like,